CSV file written with Python has blank lines between each row. This code reads thefile.csv, makes changes, and writes results to thefile_subset1. However, when I open the resulting CSV in Microsoft Excel, there is an extra blank line after each record. Is there a way to make it not put an extra blank line?
The CSV.writer module directly controls line endings and writes \r\n into the file directly. In Python 3, the file must be opened in untranslated text mode with the parameters w, new line equals, empty string, or it will write \r\n on Windows, where the default text mode will translate each \n into \r\n. In Python 2, use binary mode to open out file with mode WB instead of W to prevent Windows new line translation. Python 2 also has problems with Unicode and requires other workarounds to write non-ASCII text. See the Python 2 link below and the Unicode editor and Unicode writer examples at the end of the page if you have to deal with writing Unicode strings to CSVs on Python 2. Or look into the third-party UnicodeX module. Documentation links. This URL, this URL.
Opening the file in binary mode WB will not work in Python 3+. Or rather, you'd have to convert your data to binary before writing it. That's just a hassle. Instead, you should keep it in text mode, but override the new line as empty. Like so.
Note, it seems this is not the preferred solution because of how the extra line was being added on a Windows system. As stated in the Python document, if CS file is a file object, it must be opened with the B flag on platforms where that makes a difference. Windows is one such platform where that makes a difference. While changing the line terminator as I described below may have fixed the problem could be avoided altogether by opening the file in binary mode. One might say this solution is more elegant. Fiddling with the line terminator would have likely resulted in unportable code between systems in this case, where opening a file in binary mode on a Unix system results in no effect. It results in cross-system compatible code. From Python docs. On Windows, be appended to the mode opens the file in binary mode, so there are also modes like AirB, WB, and R+B. Python on Windows makes a distinction between text and binary files. The end-of-line characters in text files are automatically altered slightly when data is read or written. This behind-the-scenes modification to file data is fine for ASCII text files, but it'll corrupt binary data like that in JPEG or X files. Be very careful to use binary mode when reading and writing such files. On Unix, it doesn't hurt to append a B to the mode, so you can use it platform independently for all binary files. Original. As part of optional parameters for the CSV.writer, if you are getting extra blank lines, you may have to change the line terminator. Info here. Example below adapted from the Python page CSV docs. Change it from / and to whatever it should be. As this is just a stab in the dark at the problem, this may or may not work, but it's my best guess.
The simple answer is that CSV files should always be opened in binary mode whether for input or output, as otherwise on Windows there are problems with the line ending. Specifically on output, the CSV module will write \r/n, the standard CSV row terminator, and then in text mode, the runtime will replace the \n by \r/n, the Windows standard line terminator, giving a result of \r/n. Fiddling with the line terminator is not the solution.